kanamite tukala mehle esante phaisunga tronglawbia chapang mini thina chunga aboi jing lai ta un jani nisim som legit April 2026 ni khuin Ukhul district TM kasom khu achun pungni leke don ta chun tangkun naga passenger mini chun ambush ana to hlonin ani hlonin ana thlon ta na hi
insas no insas ni scooter la sang la hian to yang da chapi hian na ai chapi sa chau ru ti go ro ke no tung le lu wa pang ji suri ro ki ta ri ni mo bai ta sa lo ni de Thế làm này chứ? Insas ni ka 16 rồi. Ya che hi chu ba kai da ta sar le. Oh, ta ta ni le. Ni. Al jin de jo yin la. Nai huin har so ko ge. De juin muk suk ma hin har so ko. Ai huin har so ko re. Hele thad kap ku lego social media le jang par sai da ai nap le chena screwdriver mi wo screwdriver to kari te ag le pu khom jo ya ni len de le ya ha to khira ri la ke chi chi yeng video khili la social media le upload thalo hi asina ka phani do isi tangkhul wa khi lam kap ne asina ka phani aya ton hong wangin isi ka sai ka pom ne ka thau PSF center force khi wangin action ma khuthu jlo aya ton ngchek ta hai tui athisur de isi la saure center force khuso Mana ni? KUKI nào here, bes? Mana ni? Dah dah. Hoi, minta follow.
amani thina thu hi thu tampi hong do in yoholanga hon aseile NSCN IM hole NSCN Eastern Flank EF4 kikap tu na crossfire thi hi ticket nin chule hilanghanga i ho VV hon hichi Thilsoh panala lo danu kichi selen han seiki dubin yoholanga ho narrative khat kichu hi le hichi athiteni chinau sang sok mongnaw ta sar khomi nagar jimena pangpale akilhon pi jaringam wasum karasom CV khomi pa hi agari hlona hongki tol thamchu tangkun hon eho kukite hi sawa sniper mangcha naka mu hi danjang ahin ta langwin hi ama hon wa jangpena eho kukite engo pong set jengu chu hi ama ho langa civil society langa alen pena UNC United Nanga Council le aba kai ho tangkun nagalong TNL working committee jingtun tangkun katam naulong chule organization phabemen demna thu hen neiwin amsa penin TNL president pa swot wasim holin na ga ngayu hitibe
now I would leave it to the state government of Manipur, and when I say to the state government of Manipur, government of India is not excluded. They are equally responsible for what is happening today in our land. And government of Manipur is accountable to the people of Ukhrul and Kamjong district. What? How? Such a thing has happened. We have been warning them We have been telling them that adequate security measures should be taken. We have been telling them. We have met them several times. But this is the response we have got today. We'll follow it up now. We'll press them for concrete, solid action so that there is no repeat of this. But as I've said, on our part, whatever action that we would adopt, we would take, we would be taking this decision in a matter of few days' time, when I would convene the General Assembly session next week. So, I can only express my sense of grief at the loss of two young men, hardly 50, less than 50, have a long way to go, and yet they have been cut short. And now the family, the young son, and the family, they have to suffer the loss for no fault of theirs, simply in the hands of this bloodthirsty KUKIs. I'm so sorry to name them, but we have had enough of your sense of gratitude for what we have done to you, our forefathers have done to your people. Please, I can only say, conclude with this word, that mind your action. Mind your action. Mind your actions. We will not stay silent for far too long. Because to us, this is now a righteous war. You have imposed this war on us. We have no alternative but to take it squarely in our own stride. But you would not find us wanting in our response. This, I assure our friends here, our people here, that we would go forward and take necessary actions in the days and the time to come. Thank you.
Hichi Tangkhul Milong Songko Ho press release ho kyo Hilovin Esan Meithlei Ho civil society organization la in ko committee le War Meite Council tenzo hichi Thilsoh thu hin PR hin bolovin demna sangta hin nevin tuni chun ambush ki bol na munchu velhana jong aga nevin a video clips chomcha ga ve khom hiti ve.
Hello viewers, this is the exact place where the ambush happened. Right now I am in National Highway 202. This is towards Ukhrul district and this is towards Imphal city. So they came from this side, from Imphal towards Ukhrul district. So that's the industrial estate of Tangkhul village, and this is the exact location where the ambush happened from KUKI terrorists. So they have shot from this side, from that mountain side. So see, as you can see the location, they shoot from there, this side. There is a river nearby, and after that there is a mountain. So this is the exact place. As you can see, there is one vehicle here. I'll show you. As soon as they shot, the vehicle passed this way. I'll just show you the exact footage. See. See, as you can see, so the vehicle is there. Let's go and see. See. Let's see how is the condition. Okay. You see the bullets. Okay. As you can see the bullet here. You can see the blood there also. See. See. Blood over there. And see the condition. So see. From there. And they are trying to mislead the people. See. Right now no one can come.
Ama holanga CSO Tangkhul Nagalong TNL Working Committee chun hichi milham taini ke kabi KUKI SO group so khutnuk hi tin asavin amani hi mi phabet passenger gari a humthai ho numei chapang jaw na a hichi lamhlong infal le khul lampi ke lamhla na security escort hon ada thawa sniper le long range meipum ho mangcha hen ka bubin asavin hichi hin gari ki zo ho jong group zen chu akaptel de awetin asavin hi hichi chungchon hin organization in apart se a litan laho sinakai thil sikibung chule thawai ho a ho a february panin eki kap jingwe tin asaibe win hichi thu hi chief minister pan ukhul hungwil ni khat jo chule lampi ho chilewa le na security lampang le gari ahlai ho escort ki bol pi dinga asai zowa Thilsoh hi in hiji chun central le state government in don se a nei lo ji a su hi tin themo achanu chile committee in zawlin le akimvel KUKI kho ho a combing operation abol diwin jong government koma nge na jong ana neivin hi alangkhana hi Tangkhul Nagalong TNL ho thusu don butna in chepu zawlen village authority chun athusai ho don butna ahin neivin ama hona seina wa chu TNL hon chepu zawlen ho a KUKI SOO su groups ahi lo le KUKI non SOO groups ho aume atiu hi thudi lo thuzo hi tin thusu hin bolovin chepu zawlen village authority chun asai be na wa chun chepu yawlen ho hin koima arm groups le akema a umpon civilians bo ki hin chule Thilsoh na mu hi ke ho na lang hilowa letan srai khong lang zo Thilsoh hi chepu yawlen le TM ka som thlang to akinai na akisam kai na thu i macha umpoi tin asavin hi NSCN Eastern Flank EF ho yang chun ama ho organization hi chi Thilsoh a hi apan lo dano video mangchan su thengna a hin neivin hi chi thu hi thlang pi a chu 17 April ni a chief minister yumnam khemchanen ukhul district aga pha ji a hitabang Thilsoh hi hi tin Tangkhul community ho changin ama chunga ngo na asimuin hi ama hon asai hi namawin hichinia chu khemchanen ukhul district vilna aganei na achu sangkai ho achu anakinga pa a homi te jong chu thilphabet anakithum dano hi chijowa chu sokwaw a ho pa sokwaw committee ang chun hoi ta le phata chun an lim ki du win hi
Explain to Bishop now. You will be explaining. You right? Okay, speak up.
And those are the products
Special school.
Kipumkhat School.
Special school. Okay. Explain.
Very good morning, sir. My name is Shayla. My name is and our topic is about green energy. And when we talk about green energy is the energy generated from natural resources and that have minimal impact to the environment.
Sir, this is very
Oh, okay, good. Any more? Lekla. Kilaki.
It's a later one.
Electrician, yeah? Kilaki school.
Ke jawa chu khula mini secretariat muna program anei piwa ahulim na ayong chu keima khula kohuna ahin lampia ana kuki chapang hon nom ta le lungset le kipa ta in bye bye ka ki bolwe tin ana sein a hi he chini khot che jong hen lebden le tingpi bung to ki ka chun e ho mi khat chu tangkul lang hon sina kai thil langa panin ahin ka bul a kha kom cha khat chu a theu pi kha ubin ama holim na chom cha ga ngai hi ti we
je tunia so pipa tangkhul hon sanakai thela pat an ge wa kap kha pa chu hi in ama ko na he epgi ta banga chan ke din mun pha am ti hoi kan do den pi hon nangai utin hiute ele namin ipiam sei ma so
Kemin he le kamil thing sia le thanglin mang he in kanul ka pa men he ti le niam kim on sat he win dongal lo na dongal lo
hoi anu mon tu
ka chen na mo mo he ti le lai asa si jang mong jang he in tu ni ka kisu kha dan he sei le ei ho mega loading ka ti o he na mega loading ka ti wa chi hi bua ka ga to pa lew ama ho hin in ge wa in get wala chi in ka bo he in ka pa he ke yong ka het man lo blena kya kha hung na hung pe jeb dan na min na ka rang ka ve na he ti ka ve la thi lo ta en na asa ka hung zam pai pai yeng lam le na ka hung zam do pai pai win lam len pa nga ko mas ka to den hi na aju ti pha na ka ban nang hung pe hol hol ki ka ve la ka ban no e na ka pha ki he chan chu
theo tho so
theo tho he ka kha avun si kap thau da theo wa
mi ho chu na mu
ami chat wang ka mu pui kai sap da na he wadung ga la he hung pang wa sai kang lung lau la hu pang wa lung lau la pa na in ka bo he chang ni a in ka bo he
na kap kha chu na kile lu lo na het
ka kile lu lo ka to bong banga he ka to he na ka to bong banga ka to le ka sei banga chu na hung pe za nin na ka vet na he le he ti hin anu ma he thi ong lun pha na chu ei ki kap hi ti ka het pha na ka hung zam hi e
thalgin na za cha chu hung pe za mana
thalgin ka za chu hung ka vet hung pe za ka kha thang ka vet le ong chu ti pha na chu ka hung zam pai yeng he
na loi pa to na nu to ni na se dan
ai le pa ka nu to ka hin ama ni wang ima chaung ati pui
num kho ma num kho
kom kho ma e ho tu ai tu khom ma ka to khom mo hi e
hele wang sin na chung la na wang phai na hele to chu aban chu im cha serious wal lo pi na
tu wang ima cha thu um poi inzo ma cha hong pe hol na pe hol lo cha phagam tai tu
treatment ni to bang na bol bam lo na ka bam
treatment wang hi lo e ka po ve na i pham khat be betadin ho chu ka ti san ho che su mang pe win to e be e yeng lo ka bi ka ho wang cha om po ye
na na sam to
wang an ta po ye i ma cha ma ti ta po
nge kisu kha na chung le dam selin no men na pa me ki bang sin na chung le
nge kyo ka ti po
Hung to tim ha.
inam sungu hi hitia hi boyjing a hita abul hi popular government ke job ji hi penin te ti hi nam pi atam zon a sei jingo a hita emle sola nem salam khai na in government asem ki duvin koima emle hi na ko na hainom la koi na cha om ta pu SAUTTA pen sunguwa athi ho hi mo a thidingin om tan ko hi ita sanowa koi nung iji diu tam ti hi nung dan ta hitan ipi hile pathendi ta hote hi win ama ta san jingo hitin ama akingai jingo te ti hi achaina adinga kitep no mu chu hi sautin tuni adingin hi chan hin chai ta he ti we